It frees up a lot of screen space. There's a lot less scrolling, and one big thing was show system messages. This is a thing now, so that all those updates of changed customer, changed ticket, blah blah blah, all those system messages you can now hide, and so the only notes you see down below are the important ones, like the notes that the tech has put in. So the status here is pending, needs diagnostic. After they fill in the diagnostic template, they'll copy and paste it into the notes down here, fill in the information and save it, and then they'll change the status to ready to start. Another nice thing about this new ticket interface is they're separated by open versus closed statuses and on hold statuses. It's a little thing, but I just really liked that. So the next is ready to start. So now when the techs are going through their ticket listing, they'll get to filter for jobs that have been diagnosed already, and they can just grab it and start working on it.